What's up, y'all? I'm getting ready to show you guys how to change the skirt on your big guy. When it stops working efficiently, it starts leaving all those lines and stuff, or most importantly, you're getting soaking wet when you're doing your washes, man, your surface cleaner, man. It's just mud, grime, dirt, debris just splashing up on you. I'm gonna show you how to change it. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're gonna show y'all how we get this done. First, we just remove the old skirt off, remove the y'all clamps or clips, plus the rivets. We had to drill those out with a drill bit, which made it very, very simple. And we drilled it from the outside in so that it wouldn't damage the surface cleaner itself. From there, we started to add the new clips along with the rivets. Kind of got a little sidetracked. We actually put them on backwards in the beginning, but had to regroup and do it the right way. But anyway, trial and error, man, is always good to learn on the fly. Sometimes you got to build the plane while you're driving it. Right here, Sid actually had to go and get some more rivets because we sort of ran out, if you will. And while he did that, I just sat around and kind of tidied up, getting the space ready so that when he comes back, we'd be ready to go. But yeah, safety's always first. Keep your workspace clean and all that good stuff, man. Works for me. Works for me. Organized chaos. Very simple project, man. I had to drill out the damaged rivets from the clamps so that we could reuse those too. Moving right along. Got rid of all the trash and the debris and metal shavings from drilling the rivets out. So right here, I just did a little test run of the skirt to make sure that we were on the right track. And by then, Cedric got back. We were able to get back to it, man. Got right back on task. So now we're in the flow of things. Installed that skirt, man. Just kind of fed it through the track and batting it down, man. And that was a wrap.